In this screencast, we will take a brief look at how to configure your autocorrect options in Word. I will demonstrate how to do this on a PC using Microsoft 365, but the same steps will apply as long as you're using Word 2010 or later. I will give you an example of something that Word does that I do not appreciate. I often have to write a doctor's name followed by their degree, and if they are a PhD candidate, it is expressed as a C in brackets, which becomes a copyright symbol if I leave the settings as is. I will demonstrate. There you have it, it's a copyright symbol. I don't believe the doctor would appreciate this. So I am going to go configure the autocorrect options for Word by going to File, scrolling down to the Options, Selection, choosing Proofing, and then going to Autocorrect Options. Here I am presented with 5 tabs: Autocorrect, Math Autocorrect, Auto Format as you type, Auto Format, and Actions. For this brief demonstration, I am going to look at Autocorrect. Here you can see in the automatic replacements that Word has given me is the C in brackets to change to a copyright symbol. I'm going to select this line just by clicking on it, and I am going to hit delete. I'm going to click OK to confirm, and OK again. Now I will do another demonstration. C in brackets is now just C in brackets, not a copyright symbol. So it worked. The other thing that I will change my options on is to go back into the settings, and I will select Auto Format. And I don't want my fractions to show up automatically as a fraction character, just for the reason that sometimes you use the terminology page 1 of 2, 2 of 2, etc. And I don't want that showing up automatically as a fraction. So I am going to deselect this. And click OK, and OK again. I think that even though autocorrect has its advantages, it's probably best to create custom entries thoughtfully and with moderation. It can come back to haunt you if you forget some of your settings and they end up changing future projects in unanticipated ways. Thank you for your time.